Assalamu alaikum student, welcome to science class. Today we are going to learn something new about climate. Our today's topics are climate change. We already read about the definition of climate change and today we are going to just review our definition. Risk of a natural disaster. Our third topic is climate change mitigation. Mitigation means something decreasing or reducing. And fourth topic is climate change adaptation. So our first topic is climate change. We already know about what is climate change. Now we will review our definition again. Climate change is a significant and persistent change in the climate and its variability. There are some risks in if our climate change continuously. The risk of climate changes are increasing frequency and severity of tropical cyclone and storm surge, occurring heavier and more erratic rainfall causing flood, and sea level will rise and saltwater intrusion in the river. Intrusion means mixed up with river water or sweet water. How can we comfort our climate change? There are two strategies of comforting risk of climate. Number one is climate change mitigation and number two is climate change adaptation. Our third topic is climate change mitigation. What is climate change mitigation? Climate change mitigation is some activities if we done with our climate, then it will reduce the possibilities of changing our climate. So here we have a formal definition of climate change mitigation, that the actions that will limit the magnitude or and rate of long-term climate change. Some actions, if we do some actions such as reducing carbon dioxide or planting more trees, then it will mitigate our climate change, or it can reduce the changing of our climate. Those actions are decreasing the use of fossil fuel such as coal, oil and natural gas. If we decrease the use of coal, oil and natural gas, then we can limit the emission of carbon dioxide and it will pay a great effort for our changing climate. Number two is increasing the use of renewable energy sources such as solar energy and wind. Solar energy and wind, these two are renewable energy sources and it doesn't emit carbon dioxide. So if we increase the use of these types of energy, then it will doesn't harm our climate. Number four step is reducing carbon dioxide in the atmosphere by planting trees. If we plant more trees, then we will be able to mitigate our climate change. And last step is reduce energy in our daily life. We should consume our uses of energy. We will start our last topic, climate change adaptation. Adaptation means adjustment. So we will motivate or create a situation that we can adjust with our climate change. Here we have a definition of climate change adaptation, that the measure to survive in the changing climates is known as climate change adaptation. We have some adaptation activities, that how can we adapt with our changing climate. First one is developing the infrastructure such as house, school and factories. Second is constructing of flood and cyclone shelter. We should construct more cyclone or flood shelter, that we can accommodate more flood or cyclone affected people. Third point is creating coastal afforestation. We should plant more trees in our coastal areas. And number four is innovating salt tolerant crops. Sometimes when salt water and sweet water are mixed together, then it will be harmful for some plants. So if we innovate some salt tolerant crops, then it will be help to adapt with our climate change. And last activities will be disseminating knowledge of climate change. Disseminating knowledge means something we should notify about climate change to our citizen.